Hey there, in this video I'm going to explain to you the Gorgias create a ticket function. This is a VoiceFlow function which allows you to basically, in combination with the create a customer and update ticket function, to sync your conversation the user and your AI assistant has with Gorgias in real time. And I'm going to give you a quick demo of how this looks like. Let's run our agent. We're going to first create a customer, then a ticket, and we get asked, hey, how can I help you? First, let's ask, do you speak English? I'm from Germany, so this is my bot, and I set it to first greet the people in German. And it says, yes, I do speak English. How may I assist you today? And I was curious, who is the founder of Embotic? Let's see, and it does a knowledge base source. You already know all this, but the cool thing about this is it actually saves it right here, and we have our entire conversation. Do you speak English? Yes, I do speak English. Who's the founder of Embotic? The founder of Embotic is Rieck-Blankenburg, which is me. And yes, so it basically saves this entire conversation into this Gorgias ticket. And we're going to now focus on the ticket. You can have a lot of more Gorgias functions. I will publish as well the create a customer and the Gorgias updated ticket, also a handover function. But this video is about the Gorgias create a ticket function. You'll need to have the user message, the agent ID, the base URL, the Gorgias authentication, and an assistant message and a customer ID. In this sense, since it's starting, I hard-coded the assistant message to the message it usually says in here, but I just hard-coded it in English. Then the user message, I just put in the variable, but there is no user message yet. So actually, when we look into the functions, we have basically a filter which says, if it's only the assistant message is filled out, then we're just going to leave the user message empty, or like if the user message is empty, we're just going to put in the agent text. If the user message is filled out, then we are going to put in the user text as well and the agent message. And if you want to change how the order of the message, you're just going to actually just copy this and put this before the user message. That's as simple as it gets. And yeah, down here we're going to make the API call, and what we get out of it as an output variable is the ticket ID, which we're going to need for the Gorgias update a ticket function. All right, let me quickly talk about the input variables. You will always, when create a ticket, need to connect it to a customer, but it can be a random customer, but more on that in the create a customer function. The assistant message is required. You need to have an assistant message, and the Gorgias authentication, which is basically your API key, and you're going to get that when you go to Gorgias, down to the settings and your API key. But be aware and read the Gorgias documentation. You need the basic authentication, and you can put in your username and then put in your API key as a password, and then you will get your credentials. I hope this video helps, and you could also use this just by its own and just create a ticket whenever you want to have somebody submit a ticket. I'd like to have it as the two-way sync, or like the live sync of like every message is going to get sent to Gorgias. And if you want to know how that works, then just go look up the Gorgias updated ticket function. I made another video for that. All right, see you.